What happens when you see a Facebook advert that you really love and you want to click on that advert, and by mistake maybe one of your fingers, your fastest finger, just touch some place on your Facebook, on your phone, maybe the Facebook home button? That's the most craziest part. I know a lot of people have lost an advert like that they wanted to see, but they had no choice because they can't find the advert again. It's lost. So how do you do that? First of all, I know your brain can remember those things at that time. First of all, you remember the business that was running that advert. In this case, this is localized. So this localized, they did not pay for this. This is not a paid promotion. This is not a paid content. So let me make that clear. So this is localized, and then you want to locate this advert maybe after this happens. So you say running a successful project, how can human skills and expertise have a bigger impact? I didn't read that, but I believe that should be impact. So now you read this and then you love it, you want to see that advert, but then suddenly your hand just mistakenly clicked somewhere. So let's say this is, it clicked the home button and then you can't find it again. So what do you do about that? You simply go here and then click on localize and then search for localized, and from there we will start from there. So when we start on localized, we will see page. Okay, let's see. So localize is a page. I didn't check the icon and this thing. So I click on this localize Facebook page. So from there, I believe this should be the page. So from there, we look for page transparency, which should be on the about. So at the about, we should be able to see page transparency. So this is it. So we go to see all. Okay, at that page transparency, we see all, and then from here we go to add library. So from there we will be able to see the adverts which localize we are running based on what was the advert again? Say content or whatever. So let's check. We will see that advert right away. So just go down and then we should be able to see that advert. Okay, so welcome to running successful project. How can human skills and expertise have a bigger impact? So this is the advert. So you can see, my friend, we have located this advert successfully, and all you can do is just click on your advert and enjoy. Thank me later. You can hit a follow button. So this is just the best way to find that advert which you missed. You could not even get to, like, where is this advert? It has missed. Oh, I don't know how to get it back again. So this is a tip and trick on how you can get that back and hit the ground running. Thank you.